Bitcoin is getting ready for another move, but I've got some information that is potentially revealing that Bitcoin is going to be pushing up towards its next all-time high anytime soon. So make sure to watch this video till the end because I will be discussing this data that is revealing that Bitcoin is pushing up higher and higher. So without any further ado, don't forget to watch this video till the end. I will be discussing the most important charts, the most important data that you need to know about right now. So without any further ado, don't forget to slap that like button back above 800 likes on today's update video. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. So yesterday, we started to see the first real correction on Bitcoin. We saw a slight correction towards the downside. And honestly, yes guys, yesterday I pointed out we are creating a bearish divergence. It is likely that Bitcoin is going to see some price action retracement. And that is what clearly happened. And right now, we can clearly see Bitcoin is trading against the 0.65 towards the 0.618, and in previous bear markets this has been exactly the level where Bitcoin got rejected from. So yes, I want to be first of all pointing out before going in towards my other data that this level where we're currently trading against is historically speaking the most significant resistance where Bitcoin has seen the largest rejections from ever. So will Bitcoin get another massive rejection and potentially move down from off this level? There is very likely a chance that that could be happening, but I need to discuss some very important data right now. Because yesterday, we have seen the largest daily inflow on the spot Bitcoin ETF so far. We have seen more than 631 million US dollars flowing in towards that spot Bitcoin ETF. This is also a net inflow, so it's also minus the outflow of the grayscale spot ETF. So yeah, yesterday we saw the largest buy ever, and if this trend continues, we're going to see massively higher prices for Bitcoin because currently BlackRock has right now accumulated 105,000 Bitcoins in 1 month time on the market. And you have to understand, as this trend is going to continue, we're going to have more and more Bitcoin getting accumulated by BlackRock. There's going to be less and less Bitcoin available on the open market, and this is going to cause a massive supply shock on Bitcoin, and this could be sending Bitcoin potentially up towards new all-time highs before the halving. So yeah, while this is all playing out, there are some risks in the market, and I want to be pointing the risks out right now here. I mean, if I'm looking fundamentally speaking at Bitcoin, I am extremely bullish, but I've always been extremely bullish on the fundamentals on Bitcoin. But right now, we are running in towards some resistance. And actually, we saw that first retracement in the market, right? So we got that rejection exactly from that 50.4K. But right now, that previous resistance, the 0.618, growth right now flipped into support. And boom, we bounced towards the upside. So what I would highly recommend to everyone out there in the market is keep your eyes wide open on the top side of resistance and that lower side of support. And that is basically the 0.618 and the 0.65, and those levels are the 48.5K and the 50.2K. So if we're either breaking below this support right here, I would be expecting we're in for a larger scale correction, and a larger scale correction would also definitely mean a larger scale buying opportunity, because if Bitcoin were to be coming down again from this point, I would definitely open up a massive new long position on Bitcoin. So I would be embracing that situation with both hands. So right now, potentially, Bitcoin is creating a new consolidation phase. We could be looking for somewhat of a symmetrical triangle getting created right here. So probably we're going to see some consolidation. But as the trend continues with this large amount of inflow, we could start to see a supply shock getting created. So this is why you shouldn't get fooled right now here. I mean, yes, indeed, the charts maybe look a little bit more bearish right now here, because yesterday I pointed this out as well. We created this bearish divergence and Bitcoin moved down, but it already bounced back towards the upside since there has been so much strong buys from BlackRock. And as BlackRock keeps on accumulating and the trend is not going to reverse, we are most likely going to be pushing above $50,000 anytime soon. So yeah, guys, if you want to be benefiting from this, I would highly not recommend to be opening up long positions in this region, since we are trading against critical resistance. But if we were to get a retracement, that is the point where I am going to be opening up my next trade here. So if you want to be joining me with my copy trading account, make sure to go to the link description of today's video where you can sign up an account to Deepcoin. And if you sign up using that link, you could also join my copy trading account where I'm going to be doing my next trade. And from my last 6 trades I took, all of them were profitable. So make sure to follow me on that. And if you are interested in trading yourself or following any of these other copy traders on the market, make sure to go to Deepcoin, and it's only valid if you want to be copy trading if you sign up an account using that link below. And there are some very interesting profitable copy traders out there on the market. So still right now on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we're creating this massive megaphone pattern. And a megaphone pattern, I mean, we're currently trading clearly against resistance. Yesterday we saw a slight little rejection, but clearly this pattern is a typical bullish bias pattern. But still, I want to be pointing out that if we were to be getting a rejection, it would be an opportunity that I would embrace with both hands here. And basically, the last time the Bitcoin has been trading around this level on the weekly time frame was more than 2 years ago already, more than 770 days. So this is not the time to panic necessarily in the market. This is a time where Bitcoin is going exponential, and potentially it is going to go way faster than we think due to these large amounts of buys from BlackRock. And BlackRock, look at this trend, it's just not stopping. They're accumulating at a pace never seen before. So, I mean, I am trying to forecast the next big trend in the market as well. And I think that the next big trend is going to be Ethereum. I think that Ethereum is going to be going in a massively big uptrend compared to Bitcoin then in the coming period in the market. So in exactly 99 days from now on, the spot Bitcoin ETF will be launching. And I think that that is going to cause a massive increasement in valuation for Ethereum as well. So currently Ethereum is lagging behind Bitcoin. Like you can see on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, it's lagging behind Bitcoin. But I think that once that Ethereum ETF is going to come, and we're going to come close towards that event, because to be very clear, it's going to be in this period right here, mid-May. It's going to be on this dotted line here on the daily time frame. So we're still quite far away. I think that as we are going to be approaching the time, we are going to be seeing a massive continuation towards the upside for the Ethereum pair against Bitcoin. So that is my expectation right now here, and I think that it could be performing very well. And like you can see, history looks to be repeating here on Ethereum as well. So yeah, make sure to do your own research. But this was it for me in today's update video. I truly hope you did learn something from it. If you did so, subscribe to the channel, smash up that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.